Hello, lovely people of YouTube. How are you today? Today, we are going to make this beautiful bag charm. You can use it in multiple ways. I will teach you how to make this sunflower, how to make this leaf, and how to attach this string of pearls to this charm. So, without further ado, let's get started and let's create beauty with pony. So let's get started with these three colors. This will be my center of the flower, these will be petals, and then this will be the stem and the leaf. So we'll use this easy grip crochet kit. This has several needles. I think I will use the 3.5 mm one today. So let's get started with this brown color and let's do the central part of the flower. And for that, let's make a magic ring first. Now to make a magic ring, we are going to hold the yarn like this. Put our two fingers, twist it, and then keeping our needle, placing our needle in between, we are going to yarn over and pull through once, and that's it. This is our magic ring. Now once you make the magic ring, the next step is to do a chain one, and then in this magic ring we are going to do 6 single crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we are going to close the ring by pulling this thread, and we are going to do a slip stitch at the first stitch from where we start. This is our first round. In the next round, we are going to do the increase in every stitch. That is, in each of these 6 stitches, we are going to do 2 single crochets. So we have 12 single crochets. This is my 1. So this is my round 2. Now in round 3, I am going to do a single crochet in one of this last single crochets, and in the next one I'm going to do 2 single crochets. So I'm going to do an alternate increase. So at the end of this round I will have 18 stitches. So I'm towards this end, and then I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet. This is my round 3. In the round 4 I am going to do once again alternate, but I will have 24 total stitches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a single crochet here, then one more single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next stitch I'm going to do 2 single crochets. Once again a single crochet, again a single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next stitch I'm going to do 2 single crochets. I'm going to repeat this throughout. So I have reached the end of round 4, and that is our end of the central part. Now let's move on to doing the petals. So to do the petals, let's join in this pretty yellow color, and to join in I am going to simply pull this through here, keeping the tail end at the back side, and pull this tightly, and take this yarn and make a little chain over here. That's it. Then pull it completely. This is now joined. So once we join this, let's do a chain 1. In the same stitch, let's do a half double crochet, and then a double crochet in the same stitch. Then we'll do chain 2. In the same stitch we will do a double crochet and half double crochet, and in the next stitch we'll do a slip stitch. This is our first petal. Once again, for the next petal we'll repeat the same steps. We'll do chain 1, in the next stitch a half double crochet and a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch, a half double crochet in the same stitch, and in the next stitch let's do a slip stitch. We are going to repeat this 12 times to have 12 beautiful petals. So I've finished all the petals. Now I'm just going to snip this off. Now we are going to hide the excess yarn in the stitches. So this is our complete sunflower. Now we have to attach it to the bag. So for that we need a stem and a leaf. So I am going to use this green color to make that. Now we will need to join this first. To join this, we will join it at the back side, and we will join it in the transition of these two colors. So I'll pick any one stitch here and just pass this through here like so. Do a very tiny knot and secure this. So let's start now with making the stem. We are going to simply do the chain. The length of this chain can be as much as you want, but we want it long enough so that we can tie the charm to the bag. And once we are happy with the length, I think this much is enough. Then we are going to do a leaf over here. For that I'm going to do a chain 12. That is 12 stitches. I'm going to be working in the second chain from the hook, leaving the first chain, and then I'm going to do a single crochet in this chain. In the next chain I'm going to do a half double crochet. In the next chain I'm going to do a double crochet. In the next chain I'm going to do a triple crochet, and I'm going to repeat that for the next 4 chains. So this is my first chain. Once I'm done with these 4 chains, I'm going to do a double crochet in the next chain. Then I'm going to do a half double crochet in the next chain. Then a slip stitch in the next chain. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the same chain. Now I'm going to turn this work around and work the same structure in the opposite direction. I'm going to leave the first chain, do a half double crochet in the next chain, a double crochet in the next chain, 4 triple crochets in the next 4 chains, a double crochet in the next chain, half double crochet in the next chain, and a single crochet in the last chain. And this is our leaf. And that's it, your flower is ready. Now we can tie it to the bag. So let's assume this is a bag, and then we can pass the entire flower through this hoop and we can tie it like so. But I want to do one more little addition to this. I want to add a string of pearls. For that, I've got this white yarn and I've got few of the beads that I have. So I'm going to pass the beads through this yarn and then make a string of pearls to be attached to this. So for this, I will get a needle. This is one of the needles from Pony Black collection. First, make sure that your bead is passing through the needle, otherwise it will get stuck. Now this particular needle has a wide eye, so I can pass my yarn through it quite easily. Once I've done that, let me pass a few beads through it. Then I will attach it at the base here. So that's it, our bag charm is ready. If you really want to see how to attach it to a bag, head to our Instagram channel where we actually show you how it's done. So I hope we'll see you there. And till then, please make this charm, please make other flower charms, please make anything your heart desires, but do not forget to share your creations with us. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get notified every time we place a new video on YouTube. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.